Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed chicken with mushrooms and red dates. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we are going to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 300 grams of boneless chicken leg cut into small pieces like this. Okay, very simple. I've left the skin on. Of course, if you want it healthier, you can take off the skin. But a little bit of fat will make this dish really delicious. Add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, a few dashes of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for the beautiful dark hue. Before I mix the chicken up, I'm going to add in 6 pieces of dried mushroom which I've rehydrated and cut thinly like this. This is the size of the mushroom that I'm using. Right, if you are using bigger ones, you can reduce it, or smaller ones, just increase the quantity. 10 pieces of red dates, pitted or taken out the seeds. Half a thumb size of ginger, grated. Of course, you can mince it up if you prefer a stronger ginger taste. 2 stems of a spring onion, just lightly smashed. Put everything in. We'll mix them up well now. You can prepare this beforehand. Just remember to remove them from the fridge 10 to 15 minutes before you steam them so that they will be cooked properly. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This is to protect the protein and your chicken will be very smooth. Same thing, mix them up well. Try to make sure that you mix until you don't see the cornstarch or corn flour. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well and we'll marinate this for at least half an hour in the fridge. Of course, the longer you marinate this, the tastier it will be. I'll catch you back in a while. Now we're going to steam our chicken. Boil a pot of water using medium heat or medium-high heat. Make sure that the water is boiling. Put in your steaming rack. Spread out your chicken evenly. And I've also added in 1 tablespoon of wolfberries. Put it in. Important thing is not to use glass plate, otherwise it might break. Put the lid back on. And we're going to steam this for 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. And the chicken is done. Turn off the flame. Garnish it with some spring onion. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Really very aromatic. Let me try the chicken first. Oh, full of flavor, very smooth, very silky, very good. Mushrooms. Oh, I absorb the flavor very well. Mix it up with rice. Oh, best to go with steamed rice. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do follow our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you, bye bye. 哇，那鸡肉很香。